Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of black screen on Sample Guys. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Stumble Guys. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about Stumble Guys. If you find it here, then you can update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.